Visualize a verdant oasis right in your corner of the bustling urban landscape. Picture a lush green sanctuary filling your living room, a place of peace and tranquility amidst the chaos. You're probably thinking this is a challenge too monumental, especially with a demanding 9-to-5 job. But let's assure you, it's not only feasible, it's also quite achievable. Before we dive deeper into today's topic, make sure you're part of our thriving community. Hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all things plant-related. Subscribe and let's grow together. Let's delve deeper into the process of creating an indoor garden, taking it one step at a time. The first phase involves selecting robust plants that require minimal care, such as snake plants or succulents. These hardy gems of the plant kingdom are known for their resilience and tenacity, capable of withstanding neglect. For instance, snake plants or sansevieria are reputed for their ability to endure varying lighting conditions and even aid in air purification. Succulents, on the other hand, are experts at storing water in their roots, leaves, or stems, enabling them to go on without hydration for extended periods. A simple watering schedule of once every fortnight is all they need. This approach significantly cuts down the time and effort required for plant care, making it a practical option for even the busiest among us. Stepping on to the next phase, we'll deep dive into creating a plant care schedule. It's essential to understand that different types of plants have varying needs. For instance, succulents and cacti demand less water, while tropical plants require more, so adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Second, consider the light requirements. Some plants flourish in sunlight, others thrive in shade. Ensure you station your plants in suitable spots. Third, don't undermine the importance of fertilizing. Most indoor plants prosper with regular feeding. A general-purpose houseplant fertilizer used as per the package guidelines should suffice. Fourth and final step is monitor your plants. If they start appearing unhappy, it's time to troubleshoot. Overwatering or underwatering, too much or too little light, pest infestation, all can adversely affect your plants. A little observation and timely adjustments can keep your indoor garden flourishing. Remember, every plant is unique and what works for one might not work for another. The third and final stage of our strategy revolves around smart organization. Group plants with similar care needs together, creating zones of care within your indoor jungle. This allows you to tend to multiple plants at once, further streamlining your routine. Picture a corner dedicated to succulents, ferns, and herbs each, making plant care feel less like a chore and more like a meditative ritual. Plant care isn't a race, it's a long-distance run. It demands patience and consistency, but the rewards are profoundly gratifying. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating your personal, tranquil haven. A little planning can help you realize the indoor jungle you've been dreaming of. Now, imagine yourself 6 months from now, nestled amidst luxuriant greenery, perhaps with your favorite cup of coffee or tea, basking in the peace of your living room oasis. This vision is within your reach. So let's take that first step towards turning this dream into reality. Embark on your green journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more daily updates on plants. Happy gardening!